CFMOTO News, anticipation builds for 2022 Moto3 with fresh CFMOTO team launch. Race engines are warming for 2022 MotoGP, and the brand new CFMOTO Racing Pruestel GP team will take to the track in less than 3 weeks with the opening official Moto3 test at the spectacular Algarve International Circuit in Portugal. Please subscribe our channel, thank you for your support. CFMOTO Racing Pruestel GP, based in Germany, made their first official presentation last week and looked ahead to the longest campaign in FIM motorcycle Grand Prix history, with the first of 21 race dates occurring at the Lusail International Circuit in Qatar on March 6. The outfit will field exciting Spanish youngsters Xavier Artigas, number 43, and Carlos Tate, number 99, on CFMOTO factory equipment. The squad gathered at the Sachsenring, home of the popular and well-attended Motorrad Grand Prix Deutschland every summer, to talk about the forthcoming 2022 term and to pose for more photo opportunities with the fetching Chinese machinery. As well as 2 new riders, the team also welcomed the experience and expertise of former world champion and multi-Grand Prix winner Thomas Luthi as sports director and Massimo Capanna as technical director. The staffing reshuffle will help elevate the unit from competitive Moto3 runners to potential podium contenders. "We expect a lot, that's sure," commented Florian Pruestel, the managing director. "We want to bring CFMOTO as a brand into the World Championship. We also have great support from the Chinese fans, and of course we hope to continue to work successfully with CFMOTO in the future." While the CFMOTO motorcycles will draw plenty of attention through their look and livery, it will be the efforts of the riders themselves that grab the headlines. Artigas, 19 years old in May, finished third in the 2018 Red Bull MotoGP Rookies Cup, the high-profile feeder series to MotoGP, and then took a sensational podium finish on his Grand Prix debut at Valencia at the end of 2019. He won his first race in his debut season in 2021. Tate, also 19 in May, was 2019 Red Bull Rookies champion and is now into his third term of Moto3. The youngster is therefore expecting to hit the front of the pack. "I learned a lot last year, and this year I am ready, more than ever, to be at the front in every race," Artigas said at the Sachsenring. "I was able to progress last year with every race, every lap, and I'm so happy with the team," Tate commented. "I'm looking forward to and feel ready for the season." CFMOTO Racing Pruestel GP will be testing in Portugal from 19 to 21 of February. Please subscribe our channel, thank you for your support.